I'm John Brynley Jones, the Managing Director of PPM Technology in Carnarvon. We develop, manufacture and service toxic gas monitoring instruments, and we sell them worldwide. It's great to be based in Carnarvon because we've got the fresh air to make sure that our sensors work properly in fresh air. And then when I go abroad to these horrible cities in China where the smog is awful, then we can test our instruments there and just to make sure that they're working properly. PPM originally started by the inventor of the breathalyzer, Dr. Tom Parry-Jones. Started the company in the early 90s when we were servicing and marketing instruments manufactured by Lion. And we got some innovation money to develop the instruments further, and now we manufacture everything up here at PPM Technology. The Welsh Government, they've been very supportive over the years with grant monies for innovation, for marketing, visiting, travelling and exhibitions. Over the years we've had advice from various consultants, and some of them have been very useful and they were all funded by the Welsh Assembly. It's valuable to have links with universities because we develop and we need to test things, and universities have the expertise, they've got the equipment to do that. So it is a vital link, and we're very fortunate to have Bangor on our doorstep. Innovation is extremely important, and my old boss used to comment that developing new products and keep on developing the products or improving the product is vital. It's vital to stay ahead of the competition, and unless you do that, you will fall by the wayside.